Oh, whoops. All right, so now let's try it for, wait, yeah. What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to be teaching you guys a shuffle to sweep to thread. It's a couple of moves that I've taught you guys already. Links should be down below or might be in the cards. Let's get started. So the move is going to be look like this: shuffle, round, thread. Cool? You don't necessarily need to do the same get down I did, but you just need to get to a point where it's like this kind of position, or any kind of position that lets you get to this point. I'm not going to go too much in the technique because I have explained those moves already in a previous video, so make sure you guys check those out. Okay, so shuffle, you can go here. It's almost like a half split. Except I'm not as high up. I'm more like leaning back. Okay, I'm gonna switch my feet, hook, okay, or ninja, however you want to, whichever it is for you. Okay, from here, come back, and instead of coming back to this position, you're gonna come back. You're gonna sweep this leg under your butt. I'll switch angles in a bit. Under your butt, lean back, switch. Okay, and as you're switching, you're grabbing your foot right here. Boom, see that? In and thread. A couple things one thing that'll help with the sweep is this stretch. I'm not super flexible. This hurts. This really stretches out my hip. Okay, and that's something that's been really helping me out because, you know, thread stuff like this used to be something that's like kind of difficult for me because through this up motion kind of hurts. For half split, this stuff will help, like stretching like this, stretching like this. Okay, for getting that thread ready. Okay, I guess I'm going through some of the old exercises. You essentially come from this sitting position. Okay, and all you gotta do is lean back, bring this hip up, almost like you're doing an ab workout. And what you want to do is extend this out as much as you can. Okay, and out. Cool. So those are a couple things to keep in mind to help supplement building on the technique. So let's come from here, because I didn't really explain how to get into the back. From here, you're gonna bring this. You're gonna sit on top of this. Okay. So I know some of you guys aren't comfortable with that, but that's where you gotta be sitting in order to sweep through smoothly. Okay, and this is where that back stretch really comes in. Okay. Boom. And then as soon as you're about to sit on your butt again, sit. Oh, look, I can grab the thread. Grab thread. Cool. So from here, shuffle, boom, shuffle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, grab 6, thread 7, out 8. Okay, cool, I made it work with an 8 count. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, sweep this under, 5, 6, grab 7, out 8. So ultimately you want that whole thing to flow as much as possible. The way I'm thinking of it is almost like I'm whirlwinding with my moves. So I'm going to face this way. I think you can see like parts of the end product better on this angle. So from here, let's say we shuffled, shuffle, 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 shuffle. And as soon as you're about to finish the shuffle, sweep. Use this to push you up, your left hand or right hand, push you up to that stretch, sit, grab, thread. So try it a little faster, then I think we'll call it medium and fast. So 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? So fast. Da 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 da. Not sure if the counts are going to be on point exactly. It might be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. But I'm not doing any music. I'm just really demoing this with you guys. Okay, then we'll add some other stuff to it as well, so you guys are not just here. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. So now let's add on to it. Some of the previous videos I showed you is how to do the stomach to half split. So we're gonna build it from there. So let's do it. Okay. So if you guys haven't seen the stomach tutorial, make sure you guys watch that. Coming from like, say you're getting down. Let's walk it through. Okay, watch my practice video. This is more like play. I'm extending my moves, but still doing it, being mindful of how I execute. Getting down, okay, boom, stomach, boom, half split, you can't see me anymore. Shuffle, out, grab, thread. Cool? You see how You can combine all that, even though, you know, I'm just, you know, facing the back. I'm gonna go this way. Hopefully you guys can see a little bit more of how I'm doing it. I'm gonna play around, coming from the top rock. Bah, bah, bah. Okay, from here, you're gonna go into down, boom, bah, split, shuffle, out, grab, go. That's how you kind of combine it. Let's actually walk through that, because I think I promised you guys we're gonna be walking through that kind of stuff. I think it's about 2 8 counts. I might be wrong. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Switching over here so you guys can see me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Let's go. Actually, maybe from here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. That's it. That's the move. I think I already demoed it fast, and now I just demoed it slow so you guys can practice with me. I'll do a couple more examples actually. I'll do a ninja, and I'll do some footwork into that same position. Okay, then we'll close it out because I just want to keep giving you guys examples. Okay, from here, ninja. Gave you guys a tutorial on this as well, long time ago. No counts, just gonna show you the demo. Okay, from here, ninja, ninja, boom, boom, boom. All right, so now let's try from some footwork. Okay, bah, 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 bah. Cool. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. If you guys like it, actually, let me head on over to you guys. Alright, so that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys got any questions, you know what to do. Ask me a question. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I appreciate you guys being in this class. Hope you guys are enjoying it so far, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.